Good day all, and welcome to today's class. In this class, I'm going to teach us the topic Njirimara. I'll make it simple and interesting, so don't panic and flow along with me. So first and foremost, let's start with the definition of the term Njirimara. Njirimara are those consonant letters that functions as a vowel. They have their own sound, and there is no blockage from the extreme when pronouncing them. The only difference is that just like the vowel sounds are being pronounced through the mouth, whereas these vowel simulates, as you can call it, the Njirimara, are being pronounced through the nose. Therefore, we can as well call it Udaime. Like I usually tell us in my previous classes that at the course of my class, I do mix up my language. I use English and use Igbo for easy understanding. In essence, I have to break it down. The definition I give you people in English language, in Igbo, it simply means that Njirimara, or you can call it Udaime. Njirimara Igbo bụ mgbochi ume mkpụrụ edemede asụsụ Igbo ndị a na-arụ ọrụ dịka ụdaume. Na mkpọpụta ha, a na-esi n'ime akpọpụta ha. Now, let's get down to the features of Njirimara or Njirimara Njirimara. This is simply how to spot Njirimara in a word. Ka ị ga-esi ama na mkpụrụ okwu na ihe a bụ Njirimara. Number one is that these Njirimara, there are just two in Igbo. They are me and ne. Njirimara dị so mkpụrụ abụọ, mkpụrụ asụsụ abụọ, me na ne. Two, when forming a word, is being accompanied by a consonant letter. Njirimara na mkpụrụ okwu. Edecha Njirimara, mkpụrụ okwu ọzọ na-esote ya bụ gịnị? Mgbochi ume. Ya bụ, mgbe ọbụla ị hụrụ mkpụrụ okwu bidoro na me maọbụ na ne, ị na-anya mkpụrụ asụsụ ọzọ sotere ya awụrụ mgbochi ume. Mata na mkpụrụ asụsụ bidoro mkpụrụ okwu ahụ Njirimara. In other words, in a word, in Igbo word, whenever you see me and it's been associated with another consonant letter, that first letter there, me or ne, is denoted as Njirimara. Now let me give you an instance. When we say mpa, mpa, that me there stands as Njirimara because the next letter to it is what? Is consonant letter, which is mgbochi ume. Unlike when we say maka, 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 the M there is simply standing as a consonant of its own. It's not acting as Njirimara because it's been associated, it's been followed by a vowel letter. Other examples are as follows. Mma, mma, no. Ne, nna. So I think that's simple here. So whenever you see a word in Igbo written or starting with me or ne, and the next letter after it is a consonant letter, mgbochi ume, Marana, note that that first letter, me or ne there, is standing as a vowel similate, is standing as what? Njirimara. The next feature here is that Njirimara can end a word. Unlike other consonants in Igbo language, consonant letters does not end any word. You get? So whenever you see me or ne ending a word, just note that that me and ne there is standing or is functioning as Njirimara. Mgbe ọbụla me na ne kwụsịrị na ahịrịokwu ma ọ na mkpụrụ okwu. Mata na me na ni ahụ na mkpụrụ okwu ahụ ọ na-arụ ọrụ gịnị ka myiri ụda ume. So let me run it down again. The features I told you that myiriụdaụme in Igbo language is just two, me and ne. Number two, myiriụdaụme, when writing a word, is being followed immediately by a consonant letter. So whenever you see me and ne, and another after it is a consonant letter, that means that me or ne starting that word is myiriụdaụme. Number three, whenever you see me or ne at the end of a word, note that that letter me or ne there is what is myiriụdaụme. Then sometimes myiriụdaụme can stand on its own, just make good sense on its own. You get?
Like when someone wants to ask you a question and you want to reply yes, kind of say that there is acting as a myiriụdaụme. But in other words, the means yes. Then you can kind of, when you say nabia means I'm coming, I am coming. But that there is now standing on its own, kind of. Nabia is standing on its own, and in that statement it means I am coming. It means I.
Number four is that it can end a word. Whenever you see me or ne ending a word in Igbo language, that me and ne there is what is myiriụdaụme.
Omomatu, like when you say abialam, the me there stands as myiriụdaụme. Or when you say erielam, erichalam, apụọlam, all those momo stands as myiriụdaụme.
So these are the features of how to spot myiriụdaụme. Now let me quickly guide us on what we call ndaba myiriụdaụme. That is word in agreement. Ndaba myiriụdaụme is just the principles that governs the blending of the letters of myiriụdaụme with other consonant letters. Now, there's this consonant letter that can blend well with me, but it can't go well with ne. And there's these other ones that can go well with ne, but cannot go well with me. So that's what we call ndaba myiriụdaụme. Let's take for instance myiriụdaụme. Myiriụdaụme can blend well with these consonant letters: b, f, b, me, b, p, v, w, ye. Let's take an example. Bo, you can say mba, meaning no. F, mfe, meaning something easy or simple. B, mba, as in to wrestle. B, mba, like something bothering you, your problem. P, mpe, when you say that this thing is small, mpe, opere mpe, and the rest of them. Why myiriụdaụme can blend well with these letters: chi, de, ge, ha, we, je, ke, kwe, and zi. Take for instance, chi like ncha, soap. Nga, like cell, prison. Nga. Ngwa, like okay. Ngwa, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. You get? Je, njo, like something being ugly, yeah, or bad. K, you can say nka, like old, like old age. Nka, ikanka. So all these are the very rest of them are ways that can blend well. I think I'm going to the end of this class. So let's recap. The topic is myiriụdaụme. The features. Then other one is the ndaba myiriụdaụme. It's simply how to blend these letters to make good meaning. And I've listed to us the consonant letters that can blend well with either me or ne. So just feel free, take your time and go through this class. If you have any question or you need more clarification, please don't hesitate to pen it down there at the comment section and I will get it attended to. Thank you once again, and I'm happy for you being part of us. Like I promised you, I'm here to make Igbo language very simple and easy for us. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, just click the subscription button to follow up and turn on your notifications for other updates. Like and share this video for people that might be interested. Thank you once again, and thank you for being part of me. Kemisian.